This is my little Black & Decker toaster oven air fryer. It was the least expensive one they had on YouTube, or I should say on Walmart, not YouTube. I found out, like almost everybody else, it makes amazing French fries. They're not greasy, you don't get a lot of oil, and they're absolutely delicious. Everybody on the planet Earth knows that. What I didn't realize is if you take chicken patties, even the really inexpensive ones, or the better ones like Perdue, they're still relatively inexpensive. They make absolutely delicious meals. Those little Perdue chicken patties, the outside is crispy and the interior is tender and chewy, just like if you get fried shrimp, how it's coated on the outside and it's crunchy and it's chewy on the inside. It's unbelievably tasty, those little chicken patties. And if you get the ones from Perdue and some other companies, if you look at the ingredients, they're basically all chicken, so you feel pretty safe eating them. And the flavor and the texture is absolutely wonderful. I'm so surprised. It's a giant difference between putting them in the microwave or cooking them on the stove or even in a regular oven. So yeah, everybody knows French fries, air fryers go together, but check out those little round Perdue chicken patties. You'll be surprised.